Computer turns on, no display, red light. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. What came in today? This. It comes on, has a red light, and that's all it does. So let's figure it out. What went wrong? So first things first. So the story behind this is the customer says they had some problem, it wasn't coming on or no display, then they tried to fix it and it got worse. So we're going to start with the basics here. We're going to open the fan, check the CPU, and then see what is going on with it. So let's begin. Let's turn it off. Let's take the CPU out. Oh wow, it's already loose. You see it? So it looks like they did open or access the CPU. Looks like they did try and access the CPU. Look, it just came out. Can you tell? No thermal paste on it. So now let's check the CPU. It's 3600 CPU, and if you can see, yeah. And let's look at the back. Oh, can you guys tell? Maybe put an angle. It's very noticeable. Maybe here. So the CPU has bent pins. So now we know at least one thing is wrong. But remember they had some issue before it. So I'm guessing this was done when they were trying to fix it. So, okay, we're going to install 5700X in this computer. Okay, now we put the cooler back on. So we are just testing it, so I'm not going to worry about thermal paste and whatnot. I doubt this will work, but we're going to try it anyways. Okay, with the CPU swapped. Okay, so with the new CPU, just connect the fan. So let's see if we get any display. Well, the red light is still on. So, we have a display. says F1. It's loading Windows. It boots up. Oh. Keyboard not connected. Classic thing that happens once you change the hardware. So this CPU is working. So it looks like we solved the issue. It is CPU. I'm not sure what they were doing, why they had to open the CPU, but everything looks fine now. I'll be putting it all together and calling the customer to pick it up. So let's try and clean up this computer a little. Since we're done fixing it. Let's take this cord out. Take it back in. Now let's put it through here. Okay, next would be this cable. Let's put it back through here. Okay, a little better. And let's take this cable out for the audio. Let's bring it back through here. You might have to squeeze it in. Sometimes it's pretty tight. So the way you do that is you take out the power supply. Only 3 screws, not 4. Oh no. Pretty tight though. Okay, so now see, we can move this, bring the sound over, and we hook it up. Then you gotta feel it. If not, sometimes you have to take the graphic card out to hook up the sound cable. Okay, sound is in. Now what about this cable? Let's take it out. Let's take it out, bring it back in here. And then we'll give it a nice little curve. You might need to press this more, like this. And then you can hook it up. I think it looks better. What do you guys think? Now these cables, see, these are for all the front panel cable. These, let's bring them back here to here. Well, let's hook them up. HDD. Okay, what's next? Power plus, power minus. That's power plus. And now, let's do the power switch and the reset switch. Look at this cable. Belongs to this fan. Let's take it out and put it back in here. Okay, looks cleaner. And then this cable, system fan. Let's take it out. Plug it back here again. Okay, now what's this cable? Another fan. Yep, another fan cable. We'll put it back same place. I think it looks fairly neat, other than this guy. It says LED on it. Huh, they're not even meant to be put here. To be put the, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty decent. Now let's see if the LED switch works. Those fans don't light up. And if you guys can tell, these fans are not lighting up. So the fans aren't lighting up because it doesn't look like they're hooked up. So let's turn this off. I'll show you the back side. Okay, so let's look at the back side. You see, I see this connection. It's not hooked up anywhere. And then I see these cables. So these cables are there. It's missing a cover. This is missing a connection. Let's see if we can find any. Oh, you know why they don't work? There's no cable left for me to connect this. That's why they don't work. So never mind this. So modular cable, power cable, modular, this is modular power supply, so I don't have the extra. See, there's nothing here. And if you can tell, there's nothing here for me to find the wires. Okay, so now let's take a look at it again. Now this is gonna go, because the customer is gonna get a new cooler. That would be this guy. And how are you seeing it? This way. We got this on sale and it gets the job done. 5700X is a 65 watt cooler. So, I mean, 5700X is a 65 watt CPU, so it doesn't need to be much fancier than that. Well, let's put the thermal paste. Yeah, so let's put the thermal paste. Okay, the cooler is in. Okay, cooler. You know, I just realized we don't need to use the hub for RGB because we can use the motherboard. So, let's see. There's apparently two RGB fans here. Let's connect them together. Oh, this one's already exposed. Let's use this. And then let's connect this one to this for the cooler. And now that's the one we need to connect somewhere. Let's see, where can we find the spot? The spot at the bottom? Nope. Only, yeah, there's one here. Let's see. I don't know if you can see this. It's right here. It's connected. Let's fire it up and see what happens. So we're pretty much done here with this computer, and till next time, see ya.